August 11, 1999. Across continents people gathered, eyes turned skyward. The moon aligned perfectly between Earth and Sun, a total solar eclipse. Day became night in an instant. The sun's corona blazed, a ghostly halo. Birds fell silent, animals restless, people awed and uneasy. As sunlight returned, relief swept through the crowds. The world exhaled, united by awe and curiosity. The shadow had passed, but its story lingered. For millennia, eclipses were seen as omens, terrifying, mysterious, and deeply significant. Ancient cultures imagined celestial beasts devouring the sun, and performed rituals to bring back the light. Drums thundered, people shouted, desperate to restore order to the sky. Eclipses foretold disaster, the death of kings, or the wrath of gods. The sky was a canvas for humanity's greatest fears and hopes. Enter Nostradamus, the enigmatic French astrologer. His cryptic prophecies, especially one about a king of terror from the sky in 1999, fueled centuries of speculation. As the millennium approached, this prophecy gained new life. The August eclipse became a focus for apocalyptic anxiety, blending ancient dread with modern uncertainty. Myths and predictions merged, amplifying the sense of cosmic significance. Even in an age of science, the old stories lingered, shaping how people experienced the eclipse. The event was not just astronomical, it was psychological, cultural, and deeply human. Eclipses remind us that the unknown sky still has the power to unsettle and inspire. 1999 was a year of anticipation and anxiety, the dawn of a new millennium, and the looming Y2K bug. The August eclipse fit perfectly into this atmosphere of uncertainty. Media seized on Nostradamus's King of Terror prophecy, fueling public speculation and fear. Some stockpiled supplies or sought shelter, convinced disaster was imminent. High-profile figures like designer Paco Rabanne made dramatic predictions, adding to the frenzy. Yet for many, the eclipse was a cause for celebration, a rare scientific event. Crowds gathered, scientists prepared, and tourists flocked to the path of totality. The world was split, ancient fears on one side, modern curiosity on the other. The eclipse became a mirror reflecting humanity's complex relationship with the unknown. In the end, the day passed without catastrophe. The real story was not disaster, but the enduring power of the cosmos to captivate and divide us. The eclipse of 1999 was a moment where myth and science collided and both left their mark. It was a reminder that even now the sky can stir both awe and anxiety. A solar eclipse is a predictable dance of celestial bodies, moon, earth, and sun in perfect alignment, but the sun itself is far from predictable. It erupts with solar flares and coronal mass ejections, massive storms of charged particles. A powerful CME aimed at Earth can trigger geomagnetic storms, disrupting power grids and satellites. Imagine if such a storm had struck during the 1999 eclipse, as millions watched the sky. The spectacle could have turned to chaos, blackouts, communication failures, and global disruption. The eclipse itself was harmless, but the sun's hidden power is a real ongoing threat. Our technology is vulnerable to these cosmic tempests. The timing would have been pure coincidence, but the impact could have been profound. The 1999 eclipse was a reminder. While we marvel at the sky, we must also respect its dangers. The universe is beautiful, but not always benign. Our fascination with celestial events should be matched by preparedness for their risks. Sometimes the greatest threats are the ones we don't see coming. In 2012, a massive solar storm narrowly missed Earth, a near miss that could have crippled modern civilization. The 1999 eclipse passed without incident, but the potential for disaster was real. History is shaped not just by what happens, but by what almost happens. The sun's power is awe-inspiring, but also a reminder of our vulnerability. Our fears in 1999 were misplaced, focused on prophecy, not probability. Yet the real lesson is to respect the universe's unpredictability. Investing in science and preparedness is our best defense. Eclipses and near misses alike should inspire curiosity, not fear. By understanding the cosmos, we gain resilience, and a deeper sense of wonder. The shadow passes, but the need for vigilance and awe remains.